Before, I ended up doing the end of life, but we had a meeting last Saturday. We were told that we can go ahead. So what is lacking is the pronunciation. Okay, accent pronunciation is American theater. Never mind. So as long as there's nobody here, not even myself, who have the American
Good sana ako ikaw.
Laki mo pa naman. Ito ang tawag. Sabi mo,
Hindi na po
Bakit yung pro ako? Binura? Binura ba?
totoo naman, di ba?
Nasusunog.
Magkano ba dyan?
400. The reproductive health bill be passed by the Congress. The reproductive health bill will be presented by AN.
Wala na. That's over. It's over.
The reproductive health bill promotes information on and access to both natural and modern family planning methods, which are medically safe and legally permissible. It assures an enabling environment where women and couples have the freedom of informed choice on the mode of family planning they want to adopt based on their needs, personal convictions, and religious beliefs. The bill does not have any bias for or against either natural or modern family planning. Both modes are contraceptive methods. They're common for both. Our side also proposes the ideal family side which encourages a family to only have 2 children. Ayun. Though this bill promotes adequate population, it is not compulsory. So meaning that even though your family has a large number of children, it is not punishable by the law. The family still has have the decision whether to have more children and